These are the Haidong quick release cymbal nuts. They come 4 to a pack. Each one came individually wrapped in its own plastic baggie. All of them in this bag. So it was bags inside of bags. These guys are quite awesome. I've got a cymbal stand here to show you how they work. You legitimately go up to the cymbal stand, you slide this guy on. You can spin it down if you want to. There are still threads inside of this guy. But when you want to take the cymbal off, like, hey, look, it's not going anywhere, you push it down, you pull up, and it comes off. So you don't have to do a bunch of turns to get this guy off. I'm going to be using all of these guys on my practice kits and my teaching kits. I have 2 teaching kits, and I'm using all of these guys because I have to put them up and tear them down, and I wanted something that was very quick to put on the top of the cymbals. And when I tear down the cymbal stands, I want these guys to be on the top, keep the felts from falling off and going everywhere. So if you're in the market for a quick release cymbal nut, I would recommend these guys to you.